V Avenue! Magbisaya ta!
Kumusta mo? Ako si Kier, taga Cebu. Nagpuyo ko sa Talisay City. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
Good moment, world. I hope that everything is doing just fine. This is V Avenue again. So, in the first episode, we learned the first 4 sentences that Kier said. Remember? I'm sure you do. However, there are some more things that he said to introduce himself. As we continue, we're going to break it down slowly and understand it. Volume 1. Today's episode, Suroy Suroy, meaning tour round.
Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ganahan pud ko mutanaw og sine. Usahay, muadto pud mi og beach. Nindot kaayo sa beach.
So this is where we continue. Remember, Kier just introduced himself. Now, he's talking about his enjoyment or hobbies.
Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat,
Kung means if or when. Then wala means non-existent or not, therefore making the sentence negative in form. Ko'y or ko'y means I. And ginabuhat means doing something. Ko'y is actually ko, which means I. Now don't confuse yourselves, okay? It's just like I am going to talk to you. Then you just say, I'm gonna talk to you. Okay, let's have another listen to Kier.
kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat,
Ready na ka? Now, ready na ka means, are you ready? Na means already. Ka is you. Ready na ka? Right, Kier, Mitch? Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, come on, do it. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat. Ready na ka unsay sunod? Ready na ka unsay sunod means, are you ready for what's next? Ready na ka unsay sunod? Let's do it.
kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi.
Okay, so now we can hear it clearly. Just don't forget it, guys, okay? We're going to continue to what Kier is saying.
Magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Magkuyo ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi.
Now, don't be confused. I know that this is quite long, but, nothing is impossible. Just try to enjoy it, okay? We're all here for you, so just relax. We're gonna have fun. Mukuy ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi means I go with my gang of friends and we tour round. Take a closer look. Mukuyog ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi means I go with my gang of friends and we tour round. Take a closer look. Mukuyog ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. It's quite long, right? But don't worry, we're going to break it down one by one so you can catch up. Let's do it. We're going to help them here, Mitch, right? Okay, so take a look. Mukuyog ko means I go with. Take a look. Mukuyog ko means I go with. Mukuyog means go with. Ko means I. Therefore, when you say mukuyog ko, it means I go with. Now remember, this is a very common expression. Like, you know, people would say mukuyog ko. It means I want to go with you guys. Or sa akong mga barkada. This means to my gang of friends. Now, don't be confused, okay? Why there's with, like to go with, and then there's to. Go with the flow, okay? Sa akong mga barkada, to my gang of friends. Now we're gonna break it down one by one. Sa akong means to my. Okay? And then, mga barkada means gang of friends.
Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyog ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyog ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Ug magsuroy-suroy mi.
Ug magsuroy-suroy mi means and we tour round. Now take a look at this. Og means and. Magsuroy-suroy means tour round. Me means us or we. Me actually has the complete form. Me is actually kami, which means us or we. But, you know, in actual situations, most people just say, in normal conversation, people just say magsuroy-suroy mi. Now don't confuse yourself too much. Just say magsuroy-suroy mi. Now let's listen to Kier again.
Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyog ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi.
Now this is what Kier said. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, magkuyog ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Kung wala ko'y ginabuhat, mukuyog ko sa akong mga barkada ug magsuroy-suroy mi. Now you try it. Come on, it's easy. So here we have your bonus round. I have here some extra tips for you guys. Magsuroy-suroy, we learned that it means tour round or to tour round. So take a look at these. You have ko, the mi, ka, mo, ta, sila, and siya. Okay, I know, it's quite confusing because you're gonna be like, oh, wait a minute, that's a lot for me today. But, you know, you can just take it one at a time. But we're just giving this to you as a bonus round. This means I'm going to tour around, or I'm going to have some tour around. This is a very common expression, trust me, okay? Everybody likes to say this. The Visayan people like to suroy-suroy, so magsuroy-suroy ko. Now you try saying it. Magsuroy-suroy ko. Magsuroy-suroy ko. Magsuroy-suroy ko. Magsuri-suri ko. Now, the next one is magsuri-suri ka. Ka means you. Therefore, when you say magsuri-suri ka, it means you're going to tour around, or you're going to have some tour around. Magsuri-suri ka. Now you try saying it. Magsuri-suri ka. The next one we have magsuri-suri ta. Magsuri-suri ta. Ta means us or we. So we are going to tour around. Therefore, magsuri-suri ta, it means you and I and our friends, we're all together. We're going to go for a tour around. Magsuri-suri ta. Magsuri-suri ta. Now you try it. Come on, it's easy. Magsuri-suri ta. Magsuri-suri ta. Magsuri-suri ta. You try it. Come on. Okay, I think you got it. Right here, Mitch. The next one is magsuri-suri mi. This means we're going to tour around, or we're going to have some tour around. Okay, I know you're going to think like, why is it me and ta? Well, magsuri-suri ta means you are included in the tour around. But when I say magsuri-suri mi, this only means me and my friends. The person I'm telling to, like you, for example, if I tell you this, magsuri-suri mi, it means you're not included in the tour around. Magsuri-suri mi. Got it? Magsuri-suri mi. Okay? Remember? This means that you are not included in the tour around. Next one is magsuri-suri mo. This means you guys go tour around, or you guys go have some tour around. Magsuri-suri mo. Now try saying it. Magsuri-suri mo. Now that was easy, right? Magsuri-suri mo. Magsuri-suri mo. Magsuri-suri mo. Now the next one is magsuri-suri sila. Sila means they. Therefore, magsuri-suri sila means they're going to tour around. Magsuri-suri sila. Magsuri-suri sila. Magsuri-suri sila. Now try saying it.
Lingaw ka ayos ha?
Lingaw kayo, nakasabot man mo no.
Basta practice lang jud mo. Ang importante ani kay magsige lang gyud tag padayon og practice ug maminaw mo sa mga ubang tawo nga magstorya og binisaya.
Aron makuha ra sa iyong utok ang impormasyon ug maanad mo og paminaw sa mga tawo nga nagistorya og binisaya,
Magkita-kita ta balik ari lang sa V Avenue. Magbinisaya ta.
For more information, you may like us on Facebook. Just simply go to facebook.com/Visayan Avenue. Thank you so much for joining us today.